This is a presentation on the Assure model based on the copyright presentation given to the students. The first step of the Assure model is analyze learners' characteristics. This step is used to help the teacher establish the learner's needs and capabilities. The learner's needs in this lesson are the requirement to learn copyright laws. The audience for this lesson are 4th to 6th grade students. Students at this age likely do not have much knowledge or experience with copyright, but will need to know it as they are at the age that they will begin researching and writing papers. It is important for them to be able to learn these vocabulary words and the need to prevent plagiarism. Student abilities vary in the classroom, but this lesson gives many different definitions and explanations to build all the student knowledge. The state objectives are statements as to what the learners will do as a result of the lesson. In this lesson, the students will be able to follow copyright laws in all of their research products in the classroom. Students will be able to complete a classroom assignment to demonstrate their knowledge and continue to practice good copyright skills throughout their education. Select, modify, or design materials is an explanation of how the students will learn the lesson, what materials will be used, and what the students should get out of it. This lesson will have students taking notes from a multimedia presentation. Students will complete the project of their teacher's choosing. Utilize materials is the fully fleshed out plan that the teacher will follow with the students. The students will follow along with a PowerPoint created for their lesson that is filmed with commentary and full explanations. This video can be saved and used many times for the future. Students will take notes as they follow along. Require learner's response requires the teacher to describe how they will get each learner actively and individually involved. In this lesson, students will participate by taking notes. They will also complete an assignment that has been created by their teacher. They will then be graded on the knowledge that they have displayed. Evaluation is the last step and involves determining if the lesson was effective. The evaluation in this assignment is the assignment or project given by the teacher. The rubric that has been provided will be used as a guide for the amount of knowledge that the students have acquired. Thank you for viewing my presentation and have a great day.